Hi friends, hope is our culture to discuss technology. Today we are going to talk on Facebook, Instagram merging, and WhatsApp new stickers feature. So let's begin. Facebook has started merging Instagram with Messenger to enable an integrated chat system on both the apps. According to reports, Instagram users on both Android and iOS platforms will soon see the DM icon on top right corner of their home screen be replaced by the Messenger logo. Clicking on this will allow users to browse through a new colorful messaging screen where they will be able to chat with friends who use Facebook. The feature is likely rolled out in stages, as not all users are able to see the new feature on Instagram. Yet the Facebook-owned photo and video sharing social media app hasn't officially announced any detailed rollout plans. Yet WhatsApp offers a glimpse of dedicated sticker search through latest beta. WhatsApp seems to be all set to make it easier for users to find relevant stickers for their conversations. Nearly 2 years after bringing sticker packs to its platform, the latest beta version of WhatsApp for Android gives a glimpse of the new experience. It comes with a search bar to let you easily find stickers from your collection. Also, there are distinct tabs categorizing different stickers on WhatsApp on the basis of their emotions, such as love, greetings, and happiness. So that's for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like, then please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.